You've probably seen them, traders in Lamborghinis, sipping coffee in Bali, making thousands of dollars with a few clicks. You may have even thought, if they can do it, so can I. But here's the harsh truth: trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, trading is one of the most brutally honest professions in the world. And today, we're going to talk about the truths no one wants to tell you. The parts that influencers skip, the reality behind the glamorous thumbnails. This video may not be easy to hear, but if you're serious about trading, this might be the most important video you ever watch. Most traders lose money, repeatedly. Let's start with this cold, hard fact: over 90% of retail traders lose money. It's not an exaggeration. Brokers publish data, regulators publish data, and the number is consistent year after year. Why? Because trading isn't about clicking buttons on a chart. It's about battling your own psychology under pressure. It's about making decisions when money is on the line, when fear kicks in, and when greed takes over. Most beginners over-leverage, over-trade, chase signals, follow random gurus, and expect instant profits. It's boring if you're doing it right. Hollywood made trading look exciting, fast-paced, full of adrenaline. In reality, successful trading is boring. It's about waiting patiently for high-probability setups, journaling your trades, managing risk like a robot, repeating the same thing every single day. Real trading is about consistency, not excitement. If your heart is pounding and your palms are sweating every time you place a trade, you're not trading, you're gambling. Trading is not just technical. Candlestick patterns, moving averages, and indicators are only part of the puzzle. And often, they're the easiest part. The real challenge: discipline, risk control, emotional regulation, psychological endurance. Most traders know what to do. They just can't do it under pressure. That's why two traders can use the same system, but one will blow their account and the other will thrive. It's never just about charts, it's about mindset. Your biggest enemy is you. Forget the market makers. Forget manipulation, forget whales. Your biggest opponent in trading is yourself. Your fear of missing out, your revenge trades after a loss, your inability to sit on your hands, your refusal to accept a small loss. Markets don't need to trick you. You trick yourself, you sabotage your own success. The market doesn't owe you anything. You can study for months, you can build the perfect strategy. You can backtest every variable and still lose. Why? Because the market doesn't reward effort. It rewards discipline and adaptability. It doesn't care how badly you want it. It doesn't care about your rent or your debt or your dreams. It simply moves, and you have to align yourself with it, not expect it to align with you. Strategy alone is not enough. You might think, if I just find the perfect strategy, I'll win consistently. But here's the truth. Most strategies work, the trader doesn't. You can give the same system to 100 people and 95 of them will still fail. Because it's not about what you trade, it's about how you trade it. Can you take 10 losses in a row without panicking? Can you stick to your rules during drawdowns? Can you resist overtrading during boring markets? That's what separates winners from losers. Trading success takes years, not weeks. No one becomes a doctor in a month. No one becomes a pilot in 2 weeks. Yet, thousands of people think they can master trading in 30 days. It's a professional skill, and professional skills take time. Years of learning, thousands of hours of screen time, dozens of failed attempts. You will lose, you will doubt yourself. You will think of quitting, that's part of the process. The ones who win are simply the ones who don't give up. You don't need more, you need less. Most traders think they need more indicators, more signals, more time frames. But real progress comes from simplicity and focus. A single strategy, mastered deeply, is more powerful than 10 half-baked ones. You don't need 5 screens, 20 indicators. A $2,000 course, you need clarity, structure, consistency. So yes, trading is hard. It's not a shortcut to millions, and it will test you in ways you didn't expect. But here's the truth many forget to tell you. It's not impossible. People do win. You can win, but only if you're willing to grow. Every professional trader was once a frustrated beginner. Lost money, doubted themselves, felt stuck, but instead of quitting, they adapted. They learned to respect risk, master patience, build rules, and think long-term. And that's what made the difference. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be disciplined, consistent, and willing to learn. Because once you understand that trading is not about winning every day, it's about managing risk every day, that's when you start becoming the kind of trader who lasts. So if you're still watching this video, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Because most won't even sit through the truth. You did, and that means you're serious. So stay in the game, keep learning, keep growing. Because success in trading rewards those who don't quit. It will challenge your identity. Trading doesn't just test your skills, it tests your character. It will expose your impatience, your ego, your lack of discipline, your emotional triggers. To grow as a trader, you must grow as a person. It's not about becoming better at predicting charts. It's about becoming a better version of yourself. That's why trading is so hard. It forces you to confront who you really are. Most people quit right before success. Here's the cruelest part. Most traders quit right before they were about to turn the corner. After months or years of struggle, they give up. Not because the system failed, but because their belief failed. Their patience wore out, their account ran out. Trading has a way of punishing the impatient and rewarding the disciplined. If you stay in the game long enough, you get better. There is no final destination. You will never master trading. The market changes, your psychology evolves. Your strategy will need adjustments. Success in trading is not a mountain you conquer once, it's a path you walk every single day. You don't arrive, you adapt, you grow, you survive. And that's the real reward, not the money, but who you become. The truth most won't tell you. Trading is not easy. It's not glamorous. And it's definitely not for everyone. It's a battle with yourself, with uncertainty, with time. But for those who endure, for those who learn, adapt, and grow, it becomes one of the most rewarding things you'll ever do. Not because of the money, but because you'll become a person who can handle chaos with clarity, discipline with patience, emotion with logic. That's the trader's path. That's the truth they don't tell you. If this video opened your eyes, drop a like and comment. I choose discipline over dreams. Subscribe for real, honest trading content, no fluff, no hype. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment or trading decisions. The creator is not a licensed financial advisor and does not guarantee any profits or outcomes from following the information in this video.